Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here not for any DIY, but I'm here to prepare something from the vegetable which is found in my garden. This is called as shole. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, but as I have heard, it is called as shole. So now first thing is it is found in my garden and many people like it. So we just pluck them out, and here is Zaran also helping me to collect it, and also he is doing some work in the garden. So now after I collected all these things, I just took them, and we have to just peel the outer cover, and only the seeds are to be used. So just throw the outer cover, and then this is the thing which I have collected. And now the first thing is just wash it with the water once, and then you have to pressure cook it for at least 2 whistles. So this is something which turns out very great, very tasty, and one of my friend loves it very much. And if you're watching this video, please do comment down. So next time whenever you come, I'll be just keeping that for you. So now then once it is done, uh, here I'm also preparing the roti. I'm not good at preparing rotis. They do it with a hand, but I'm not perfect, so I'm just using the rolling pin to do it. So this is jowar roti, and once you are done with the jowar roti, and this sabzi tastes good with the rotis itself. So now here I'm just preparing a basic masala with onion, tomato, ginger garlic paste and coriander, and very spicy red chili powder, which I just took it from our neighbor auntie because they prepare the spiciest one, and the spiciest will go good with this sabzi. So once you are done with it, just use only and only the beans. You are not going to use the water. If you use the water, your sabzi will be bitter in taste, they say. So just use only the shole beans, whatever it is, and just put the gravy and the shole beans and just mix it, and your sabzi is ready. Serve it with rotis or chapati. So I prefer roti. I had also methi sabzi and little bit of rice. So this is the final. Bye.